Alright, here we are in the featured parking area. Not much happening down here today. Let's see what's going on. And today is Monday. This is not Fiesta Friday. This is Mariachi Monday. Oh yeah, here we go. Is there a window open? I feel a breeze. Beautiful. Nice. And these windows will be facing the library, the YMCA, and downtown. They got rid of the stairs to the third floor, so unfortunately I can't go up there, but you get a good idea. Framing, as I showed in the last video, looks to be almost maybe halfway done. Ramming and jamming.